Good morning, kids. In today's class, we'll discuss new lesson of English literature, that is Clever Raja. In this lesson, Raja is a horse and he's very faithful. How? Let's get to know. Hari Biswa was a vegetable seller. He had a horse named Raja. Every morning, Hari loaded his cart with fresh vegetables and went to a nearby village to sell them. One morning, Hari was not feeling well. However, he set out with the vegetable cart. Hari's head began to ache. He wanted to go home. Raja did not turn back, so he left Raja with the cart and returned home. Raja went from one house to the next with the cart. Even though the villagers did not see Hari, they took the vegetables and put the money in the money box. After the sun went down, Raja came back home. Hari heard Raja's clip-clop and ran out. He was happy to see that all the vegetables had been sold. Hari gave Raja a big hug. Okay kids, now I'm going to explain it. Hari Biswa was a vegetable seller. He had a horse named Raja. Every morning, Hari loaded his cart with fresh vegetables and went to a nearby village to sell them. So, there is a vegetable seller named Hari Biswa and he had a horse named Raja and he was vegetable seller. He used to load his cart and went from selling vegetables every morning. Okay, now next. Raja went clip-clop, clip-clop, clip-clop. Hari and Raja would go from house to house and sell vegetables. By evening, the cart would be empty and they would return home happily. So, Raja is a horse, and if you have ever observed, when horse walks, the sound comes like clip-clop. So, Raja and Hari went to sell vegetables from house to house. So, by evening, they used to sell all vegetables and return home happily with empty cart. Empty means here containing nothing. Now move further. Everybody in the village knew Raja. Everybody liked him. People would come out of their houses to pat Raja and buy vegetable from Hari. Kids, here's a printing error. Here's a pat, P-A-T, pat. So, all the people of village knew them, in which Hari and Raja used to sell vegetables. Moreover, Hari and Raja was liked by everyone. When they used to come, everybody come out of their houses to pet Raja. Here, pet means touch gently. Next, one morning, Hari was not feeling well. However, he set out with the vegetable cart. Hari's head began to ache. So now, one morning, when Hari was out with his cart and he was about to go to the village to sell vegetable, his head began to ache, means pain. Ache means pain. Okay, now come to the next page. He wanted to go home. Come Raja, let's go back. I am feeling very sick, he said. Raja did not turn back. He trotted on. Hari's headache became worse. So he left Raja with the cart and returned home. As Hari's head began to ache, so he wanted to go home. And he asked Raja to go back home, as he is not feeling well. But Raja refused. Here, trotted means move faster ahead. So, when Raja refused to go back home, on seeing this, that Raja is not ready to go, and his head became worse. Worse means not so good. So, Hari decided to leave Raja over there, return back home alone. Next, Raja went from one house to the next with the cart. He stopped at all the houses where they would stop every day. If nobody came out, Raja would stomp his hoofs and neigh loudly. The villagers opened their door. Even though they did not see Hari, they took the vegetables and put the money in the money box. Now, Raja, the horse, went himself with the cart from house to house to sell vegetables. He even stopped at all the houses at which Hari used to stop. If he saw that no one came out, then he stomped. Stomp means heavy beat, and hoof means part of feet of animals. Then he made a loud noise with his hooves. He makes a loud sound with his nose and hooves. On hearing this, villagers come to know that Raja is out here, and they open their doors. And even on seeing that Hari is not on cart with Raja, they took vegetables from the cart and put the money in the money box. Okay, now come to the next page. After the sun went down, Raja came back home. Hari heard Raja's clip-clop and ran out. Hari was feeling better now. He was happy to see that all the vegetables had been sold. Hari gave Raja a big hug. Hari's wife fed juicy carrots to Raja. So now, in the evening, Raja came back home. When he was out of the house, Hari heard Raja's clip-clop and he rushed out. Now Hari was feeling better. Then he saw an empty cart, as all the vegetables had been sold. And Hari gave a big hug to Raja, and Hari's wife fed juicy carrots to Raja. So kids, from this story, what you realized? Yes, how faithful animals to humans. Even if Raja's owner Hari sick, Raja helped him in earning money. Okay, so it's all about the story. Have a nice day.